Did you know that Microsoft Teams makes it very easy to turn files, videos, websites, SharePoint sites or document libraries, or even your favorite apps into tabs or direct links within a channel inside your staff or PLC team? Let's take a closer look at how we can add new tabs inside one of our channels. So here I am inside my demo staff team, St. Demo School ECSD. And I have launched the general channel. And what I'm going to look for is this plus sign up here in our tabs. When I click it, I am prompted to add a tab. But notice that I can add a tab to a wide variety of apps, files, websites, videos, SharePoint document libraries, and more to the top of my channel. Let's start by adding a tab to a PowerPoint that I need my staff to frequently review. So I've gone ahead and inside the general channel, I've clicked on that plus to add a tab at the top of the channel. Now I'm going to select PowerPoint. Notice that I can search for PowerPoints that are inside of my team. I can also search for PowerPoints, if I keep clicking back, that are inside the document libraries of other teams that I am either an owner of or a member of. Let's go back to this current team. Once I have selected the PowerPoint that I wish to add as a tab, notice that I see a checkbox here at the bottom of the window. If I leave this checked, an announcement will be posted to the Post tab of the channel announcing the addition of this tab. Notice that I can always uncheck this if I don't want a post to be added. Either way, I'm going to click Save, and we'll give this a moment to load. Once this PowerPoint loads, if I come up to the very top where I see my tabs, notice that there's a drop down next to PowerPoint. If I click that drop down, notice that I can click on Settings to change the PowerPoint. I can go back, click on that drop down to rename this PowerPoint. And once I've typed in that new name, I just simply click Save. Now, when my colleagues and I go to the general channel of our staff team, notice that that Getting Started PowerPoint guide is up here as a tab, and I just have to simply click on it to launch it inside of Microsoft Teams. Now let's try adding another tab, this time to a secure website. So once again, I can either add that tab inside the general channel or any of my channels below. I simply come up to the very top where I see my tabs menus and click on the plus to add a tab. This time, I'm going to add a tab to the Emerging Technology SharePoint site. Because it is a secure website, I'm simply going to click on the website tile. Notice that I can give this tab a specific name, and below I paste in the link to the secure website. Again, I can decide whether I want to post a message to the Post tab about this tab being added to the channel, or I can uncheck this box, and I can go ahead and click Save. We'll give that a moment to load, and now this Emerging Technology SharePoint site will load inside of Microsoft Teams. Notice along the top, if your site isn't loading correctly, simply click here. Notice that you have the option to go to the site or try to reload the tab. Let's take one last look at adding new tabs inside of channels in our staff or PLC team. So again, I could access the general channel or any other channel that I'm an owner of, and I will see that plus to add a new tab along the top. Notice when I click Add a Tab, as I mentioned before, you can add tabs to a variety of apps. Notice that there is a tab for Wakelet, for Flipgrid, for Microsoft Forms. You can even add tabs for documents, including PDFs, PowerPoints, OneNote notebooks, Excel documents, as well as Microsoft Word documents. Just remember, when you're trying to add a tab to either an app, a document, a website, or a SharePoint document library, make sure you select the right tile, for example, Forms, and follow the steps outlined in the next window.